video, I'm going to show you how to use our goal and outcome insights. The goal and outcome insights are available on the goal detail page and offer suggestions for goal titles and outcomes. So I'm in the roadmap module here. I'm going to choose a goal. I'm going to click on the goal title to launch the goal detail page. So in this case, I've got quite a simple goal title, Improve Business Forecasting. So I'm going to go to the Goal Insights button. And this is going to give me 3 suggestions to improve that goal title. So we can see the current goal title and our 3 suggestions here. So to create a more accurate demand forecast for products and services, I think this is a good title. So by clicking the Insights button, the goal will update. So now we have this title. But I think this title could be made a bit stronger, so I might press the Goal Insights button again, just to see what we're going to get out of this. Yeah, nothing too much different there, so maybe we'll land on that. So that's our new goal title. And you can see this goal has no outcomes at the moment. Clicking the Outcome Insights button, we're going to get suggestions for 5 outcomes. Okay, so we can see these are quite specific measures. We can see the goal title, decrease the number of forecasting errors, increase accuracy of long-term demand forecasts, increase customer satisfaction. Okay, so I'm going to choose 3. You can choose to ignore all of these. You can have all 5 of them or anything in between. But in this case, I want to decrease the number of forecast errors, increase accuracy, and increase customer satisfaction. I think they're the outcomes I want to use. If I change my mind, I can click that button again. It's going to leave it, but I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to save these ideas as outcomes. And now you can see each of those outcomes appears here. Now, I did say earlier that I wasn't sure that this was the goal title I wanted. So clicking edit, I can come into the goal itself and I can make any changes that I want to create, to make the goal more aspirational or more palpable or concrete. So at a high level, that's our goal and outcome insights.